Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mobil has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Farewell Buoy to 36 nautical miles south of Petty Boy Pass, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Oriskany Reef. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. And waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. This is NOAA Weather Radio from the Mobil, Pensacola National Weather Service. The current time is 1:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Mobil has issued a flash flood warning for southern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, south central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At noon Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This includes the Highway 98 corridor. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pensacola, Ferry Pass, Brent, West Pensacola, Hensley, Warrington, Gonzales, Foley, Goulding, Lillian, Myrtle Grove, Magnolia Springs, Bon Secour, Somerdale, Perdido Beach, Alberta, Mifflin, Josephine, Seminole and Perdido Heights. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia, Florida. A special marine warning remains in effect until